So these are my gimbal wheel speed settings. So what you do is click the three dots in the top right, and then click the second from the bottom left. It looks like a camera. It looks like the camera on a gimbal above the three dots. Click that. Then go to advanced settings when you're in gimbal settings. And here's my settings. Max gimbal pitch speed is 4. Gimbal pitch smoothness is 15. And then enable upwards gimbal tilt to 30 degrees. I've got that on. That's kind of cool sometimes if you're doing a sunset and you want to capture the clouds up above you a little bit. But those are my gimbal wheel speed settings. Check the link within this video's description. You can find where to order the Mavic 2 Pro, the Mavic 2 Zoom, all the other drones and accessories, as well as my merchandise. And be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IRIXSky. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IRIXSky here. Thanks again for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. If you're looking for IRIXSky's Adventure Channel merch, like this t-shirt and a lot of other cool stuff, expand this video's description. You can find it all there. Y'all have a good day.